Hey guys, I am Syed Zishan and back with another special video after a long time. Anyhow, finally I got a OnePlus 5T from Amazon.in with an offer price of 31,500 only. So in this video I am going to unbox it and let's see how's the first impressions of this OnePlus 5T. Without doing any more late, let's begin. Maybe it might have only been released a few months after the OnePlus 5, but the 5T managed to stand up on its own and demonstrate why it was worth the quick turnaround. The biggest change in the OnePlus 5T is the 18:9 display ratio, which is something new in the 2017, whereas the OnePlus 5 is just a basic 16:9 display. So yeah, this is the OnePlus 5T. So now we take out this phone from the box, and the spoiler, we keep it aside for a while. So here we get one more box, and yes, it contains a rubber pouch. So there is a rubber pouch. Along with we also get some documentations and a SIM ejector tool. The rubber pouch feels pretty decent, and it is a transparent with the black shade little bit, so it looks pretty nice with this black phone. So here are the documentations. We get a stack of some documentations, so we don't need all those if you are aware how to use the phone. So here's the dash charger. I found it very difficult to remove that, so I skipped that. And this is the cable, and this is a Type-C cable, and they given a rubber case, a small rubber pouch to that. So we keep it inside. And here is a dash charger, and I know how to remove that. I just face down that. So here is a dash charger, and it feels very bulky, so it's not a big issue, and we don't have any more in the box. So we keep it aside all these things, and we take out the OnePlus 5T. I know that you know which is speaker, which is a fingerprint sensor, and remaining hardware stuff. I will simply tell you the specs of it. So the biggest change is it has a 18:9 ratio with a 6 inches, having 1080 into 2160 resolution, and the display type is a full optic AMOLED. Now coming to the camera, it has a 16 megapixel with 1.7 aperture and a 20 megapixel camera with the same 1.7 aperture. On the front we have a 16 megapixel camera with a 2.0 aperture for selfies. At video editing time, Oreo update was already rolled out to both the OnePlus 5 and 5T. Coming to the chipset, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. This phone comes with two variants. One has 128GB internal with 8GB RAM, and another one has 64GB internal storage with 6GB of RAM. Now coming to the battery, it has a 3300 mAh battery which charges up using a dash charger via a Type-C port. And yeah, here's the camera interface, which I feel pretty neat and simple UI. It also has a portrait mode. Now we look at few sample shots which I took in normal mode and portrait mode also. And now we test how fast the face unlock is. I got amazed that it unlocks instantly, just like there is no screen lock at all. It's pretty impressive. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I will come back in another video, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash this like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.